fun!
Leviton 6060 F10 watts designed to work with ceiling fans with lights, separate slide controls for fan speed and dimmer. Single pole dimmer designed specifically to dim LED bulbs. Also works with incandescent, halogen and CFL bulbs. Adjustment switch to modify the minimum light level in order to maximize the dimming range if flickering occurs at lower dimming levels. Special circuitry reduces fan motor noise at low speed, choice of low, medium or high fan speeds. Treat Life, the smart fan switch does not compatible with fans having built-in remote control system. Not used for exhaust fans and smart bulb. Max ceiling fan load of 1.5 A, offers 4 fan speeds control, max light load of 150 watts dimmable LED/CFL or 300 watts incandescent bulbs. 2.4G Wi-Fi only, not 5G, single pole use only, not 3-way. Not work with multiple dimmers on a circuit.